Hey there, my name is Josh. I just made an incredible purchase. I found the Fusion Flame Outdoor Kitchen on Backyard Discovery's website, saw it through an Instagram ad and figured it's something I need. Just moved into a new house and I really need a spot for entertaining throughout the spring and summer. The beauty of it is I don't need to hire a contractor. It got delivered to me in boxes. All I have to do, open the boxes, get a staging area set up, organize my pieces, follow the instructions, and I should be able to build it in about 1 day's time. Stick with me because I'm gonna take you through the experience so that way you know what to expect if you're gonna get yourself the Fusion Flame ready to assemble outdoor kitchen. So what you can see I'm doing here, unboxing, trying to get organized, putting all of the pieces that I'm going to be using on a separate table. Very helpful. Get organized first and it's gonna make the process go so smooth for you. So this BILT app, super cool. I was able to finish 3 sections in about 5 or so minutes. Gives you the ability to see what you're doing in 3D. You can pinch, you can expand, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can turn things upside down, so that way you know that you're building it the right way the first time. Really, really handy. All right, thanks.
Bye.
All right, I have 4 more screws, 2 more to tighten, and then I'm gonna take a break and read ahead because the next step is to make sure everything I've built to this point is square, because that's crucial for the final build, because what comes next? The posts. All right, 4 posts up. This is going to be the waterproof roof. Now, for those of you that aren't in Florida, it may look like I'm indoors. I am not. This is an outdoor screen enclosure. Screen is to prevent the bugs, but doesn't prevent the rain. Because it gets rainy in Florida and I don't want that to ruin the party. Going very smooth so far. Following the instructions, not just in the paper version, but on the BILT app has been great. Being able to pinch and zoom in on where I need to go is really helpful. Just like that, it's done. This thing comes ready to assemble. Everything you need is in the box, including all the specialized tools. The only thing I provided was a wrench to hook up the propane adapter in the bottom. That's it. When you buy this Fusion Flame ready to assemble outdoor kitchen, you're going to be impressed. Stainless counter, stainless grill, stainless fridge. Everything else you see, it's not powder coated aluminum, it's all galvanized steel. This thing is sturdy and it has a lot of cool features. 2 floating shelves that you can move wherever you want. A spot for you to put your trash can that's hidden. Soft close drawers. A 5-burner propane grill with sear zone and an infrared rotisserie burner with a rotisserie included. Stainless fridge rated for outdoor use included. So now that it's put together, I think I'm gonna spend my time and video the experience over the next few months, show you all the different aspects that makes this kitchen great, some of the features of the grill, talk about how I'm gonna use it for hosting and different parties. I want you to truly see what I'm going to see because I firmly believe this is the best value in any sort of outdoor kitchen that you can get. No need for a contractor. It comes to your house ready to assemble, and you can build it in just 1 day's time, or if you want to take it a little bit slower, it just takes a day and a half like I did. This thing is tremendous, and I can't wait to show you how I'm going to put it to use over the next few months. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.